It came loose, but tip broke, so or the hook broke off. Hello, so back to the AVO meter here. As you saw on my unboxing, one of the hooks for the leads won't work, the black one here. So the red one works as it should, but the black one slips, it's stuck. The hook is stuck inside the sleeve, so this mechanism here slips on the sleeve. So I want to fix that today, and I figured out that this hook just unscrews like so, and here we can see a lot of corrosion on the pin and the sleeve, so I'll spray some WD-40 on it and try to wiggle it loose again. Hopefully that will do the magic. Just clean it up a bit. So if I free up the hook, I will take some sanding paper and get the corrosion off. Try to spray something in here also. Hopefully this will free up the hook again. Use my pliers and see if I can wiggle it free. It's quite stuck. So this has most likely been exposed to some water. Try to wiggle it a bit. Bend it, maybe that will free it up. I think I will just spray it a good amount and let it sit for a while. Maybe it will free itself up, and I'll be back. It's totally iced, so it's really stuck. Looks to be free on the top here. Maybe I'm able to punch it out like this. Take a bigger screwdriver. set the screwdriver in the mouth of the hook and just tap it up. I splitted the sleeve here. That's both good and bad, maybe. Now I can maybe turn the whole hook inside the sleeve. I don't want to bend it too much because I'm afraid I will break it. It came loose, but tip broke, so or the hook broke off. So try to pull the whole pin out. So here is the corroded part. So that's a bit sad that the hook broke off. But it looks like it's just warmed up and spring steel that's heated up and made flat, forged flat almost, then grinded to a hook, so maybe we are able to replicate it. So I'll see if I'm able to either replicate it or weld on the hook again. I can't weld it, I need to hard solder it or something. So I'll see what solution that will be best. So I have just forged it out like so. It will be a bit shorter than it was, but I think I'm on the right path here. So I will grind in this part here, then I'll try to angle the tip so we get a nice hook as original. I have to shorten the sleeve up the same length that I have shortened the pin, but that's no problem. Okay, so here is my finished result of the probe. It is a bit thinner than the original tip or hook. Got a bit thinner on this part, so all I did, I grinded with my bench grinder here. Then I used a diamond file to make the more hook-like shaped. Then I used my pliers and bent it into shape. So now this one is in working condition again. Big thumbs up for that. We saved the probe. I love to have the original probes. That's great. So we can test to see if the probe works. So I have the meter on DC and 25 volt scale. I got 12.5 volts on my power supply. So just hook up the probes here. There. 12.5 volts. No worries. So we got 2 working probes now, a working meter. Hope you liked the video. See you next time for a resistance extension unit. See you next time. Bye.